Starting an at-home project but the metal materials are rusted? Here's a hack to assist. Solder contains a high level of phosphoric acid. Once in contact with phosphoric acid, iron oxide, and rust will dissolve. Hope you enjoyed these NIHERST Sci-Facts. Join us again soon.